Alright guys, we got a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. He brought a catback AWE system. We installed it for him. Anyways, factory converter right there. And this is where the kit starts right there. Resonator, all stainless steel, nice and shiny. Right there into the new muffler, over. And then it comes with the dual tips stock on it. So they replace that with a Y pipe and put 2 tips right there. There it is. We have it offset to kind of match the bumper. It's nice and clean, shiny. There you guys go. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. This is the old stock muffler, the stock tips, the mid resonator, and the other mid resonator. Well, mid muffler, mid resonator. Nice and clean. Sound decibels? 94. 95.7 I think is what that just hit. Not bad. Nice and clean. Nice little look to it. Let you guys hear it on this? ...2011 Volkswagen Jetta, an AWE catback system.